Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong second quarter ng 2024. So that's April, May, June. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. So, i-check nyo na lang para kayo ay makapag-book. Okay, Capricorn. Let's see what's coming to you. Energies for you. Second quarter ng 2024. Wow. Wow! Capricorn. Okay. Very interesting. Okay. So, you have the Eight of Cups as the bottom of the deck. So, ito yung mga bagay na pwedeng hindi mo nakikitang pwedeng mangyari, no? So, you have the Eight of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, the Nine of Wands, Seven of Swords. So, maaring meron kayong iiwanan na situation that you feel na pinaglaban mo pero wala, hindi ka pa rin ipinaglaban or pinagkatiwalaan mo pero sinira yung tiwala sa'yo. Okay? So, kumbaga, pinilit mong magstay sa situation na yan. This can be a relationship, no? For most of you, romantic relationship to. Yung iba, trabaho, career. But I see you na moving on, moving forward. Na-realize mo na, teka, hindi nga pala ako para dito. Teka, hindi na pala ako masaya dito. Ganon. So, you are moving on, moving forward. Kasi meron ditong, I also see, revelation ng katotohanan about someone's intention. So, meron ditong hindi magandang intention sa'yo towards money or towards your relationship sa kanya. So, pwedeng marami siyang mga secrets na tinatago sa'yo and finally, it's coming to light na nalalaman mo na and you feel like, teka, hindi ko din na-deserve yun, so I must go. So, ngayon, kayo ay nagpo-focus sa inyong sarili. Tingnan naman tong mga cards ninyo. It's giving money, opportunity, stability. Yung energy nyo, Queen of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy to. So, this is about financial stability. So, yung second quarter for you is going to be abundant, no? Maraming opportunities na darating and I see you managing your finances well. Magiging maayos yung pagmamanage mo ng iyong kaperahan. Ito yung parang, alam mo yung provider. Oo. If you are a provider or, ang tawag doon, ikaw yung breadwinner, yan. So, don't worry kasi kaya mong ma-provide for your family, for yourself, yung mga needs mo. Okay? So, your challenge is the Queen of Wands. Maaring, yung iba sa inyo, parang tatama rin gumala, no? So, maraming opportunities for you to go out, no? Enjoy the sun. So, mas makakabuti sa inyo na naaarawan kayo. Kasi yung iba baka ayaw nyo lumalabas. So, yung mga outdoor activities will be very helpful sa inyo. So, iwasan nyo na, magmukmuk lang sa bahay kung meron naman kayong pagkakataon na lumabas. And also, exploration of your creative talents and skills. Kasi maaring meron ka pang mga kakayanan na hindi mo pa nasusubukan dahil hindi ka nagta-try. Okay? So, it's time for you to try new things. And yung inyong opportunity, Queen of Cups, this is about your instinct, your caring, nurturing energy. So, I think you will have opportunities to take care of the people around you. This is also about having pagkakaroon ng magandang kalusugan, no? And for some of you naman, this is about your creative talents and skills na madidiscover mo na pwede mo pang i-develop. Some of you, you have great talent in arts, no? Music, arts, yung iba naman spiritual, no? Spiritual talents. Aring you are a healer, Reiki healer, energy healer, spiritual healer, ganyan. So, your blessing is the Chariot. Oh my God. Sa iba sa inyo, Capricorn, pwedeng may mga magagandang blessings na darating sa inyo related sa sasakyan ninyo. Pwedeng bibili kayo ng kotse, mababayaran nyo na yung kotse nyo, sasakyan nyo, no? Or may mabibili kayong magandang accessories para sa sasakyan nyo, ma-upgrade nyo yung sasakyan nyo, mapapaayos nyo na yung sasakyan nyo, things like that. Some of you, meron travel opportunities. I see you enjoying traveling eh. Kaya nga yung challenge sa inyo is paano nyo ma-enjoy yung paglabas. Kasi there's a lot for you to explore na napipigilan lang kasi maaring nagpo-focus naman kayo sa puro kayo trabaho. Syempre kailangan sa buhay balance, no? Oo. And may explore mo yan eh. Kaya mo yan eh. Oo. Mafa-finance mo yan. You don't have to worry. And as a blessing, mas diretso yung direction na gusto mong puntahan. Mas alam mo kung saan ka papunta ngayon. Okay? So, your money, career, finances. Tinan nyo naman, 8 and 9 of Pentacles. So, you are mastering your craft. Ano man yung larangan ng career, trabaho, business mo ngayon, it is thriving. Kumbaga, umuunlad siya. And I see you also upgrading. Maaring nag-upgrade ka ng skills mo, nag-upgrade ka ng tools, ng mga equipment mo, sa business mo, sa career mo. And yung mismong knowledge mo, no? Oo. And with the 9 of Pentacles, this is financial stability, financial independence. So talagang pagdating sa iyong kabuhayan, maganda ang pasok ng second quarter sa'yo dahil kayang-kaya mong i-handle talaga lahat ng responsibilities. And at the same time, you have more than enough for yourself and for your loved ones. So for your love and relationship, ayan, we have the 3 of Cups. I see you spending more time with your family, no? Mas importante sa rin ngayon na quality time with your family. Ito yung tipong paglalabas kayo, hindi man madalas pero talagang ito todo mo yung paggastos mo para mapasaya sila. Ganon klaseng level. Although you have the capacity to do that often, no? Na madalas, pero I think mas aware ka pa rin dun sa overspending. So alam mo na kapag sumusobra na, alam mo rin kung ano yung tamang paraan para gumastos for your family. So some of you maaring may mga bagong friends, connections sa larangan ng negosyo, so may mga bagong kaibigan. And if you are in a relationship right now, I see you enjoying the fruits of your labor with your loved ones. Oo, kung single ka naman ngayon, i-enjoy mo rin yung mga pagsama-sama sa mga bago mong kaibigan or existing mo ng kaibigan, and also being more conscious rin sa relationship na nabibuild mo kasi gusto mo long-term relationships, long-term connections. Okay, so let's see what else. So, kung ikaw naman ay may relationship, I think pareho kayo ng partner mo na very focused sa pagpapaunlad. See, you are going to learn more, researching more. Yung iba sa inyo may self-study. Kayo mismo yung magre-research para sa sarili nyo. Yung iba naman pwedeng mag-enroll kayo sa mga online courses. You are also going to reassess your situation. I think nabanggit ko na rin sa inyo kanina na pagdating sa trabaho or career ninyo, kung hindi na kayo vina-value dyan, I think you're going to explore your options. You are seeing things clearly. You are more focused sa goals mo. Everyone is on their own journey. How can you focus more on your own path? See, So, focusing on your own path. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na, hindi natin may iwasan. Minsan, napapatingin tayo sa path, success ng iba. No, journey ng iba. At iniisip natin, uy, ba't hindi ko na-experience yun? Kanya-kanya nga tayo ng unique path, no? Unique journey. Take a chance on love. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, susubukan, bibigyan ng pagkakataon ang love life ninyo kung merong available. Oo. Yung iba naman pwedeng person from the past. Treasure your loved ones. So, ayan. So, talagang mas, kayo ngayon, focus kayo sa inyong family, mga mahal nyo sa buhay. You are really giving your best to your loved ones. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!